There's no other camera better than Insta360 Ace Pro to take with me on a summer vacation. And the great news is that there is a big firmware update on Insta360 Ace Pro. So in the heat of the summer, I'll take you guys through 2 major upgrades on Insta360 Ace Pro and also give you guys the long-term review of using Insta360 Ace Pro. So here we go. The first big upgrade is there is Leica color profiles. So Insta360 Ace Pro is developed together with Leica. So in this latest update, Insta360 team worked with Leica engineers to develop 2 color profiles. The first is Leica Natural. Leica Natural is low saturation and high contrast for the iconic aesthetic. It's suitable for urban photography, architecture, and scenes with distinct light and shadow. So let me take you guys to the urban environment with Leica Natural. As comparison, you can instantly see the difference. The Leica Natural has that typical Leica look. But with Leica Natural, of course, it doesn't have to stay just in the urban area. It can also go to the countryside, to the nature, and you can still enjoy that typical beautiful Leica look. And the second new color profile by Leica is Leica Vivid Mode. High saturation and brightness enhancing warmth of a scene with colorful shots. So it is suitable for family, still life and colorful scenes. And of course, I'm at the beach wearing super colorful rash guard, colorful yellow hat, and the floater is bright yellow as well. Just for the comparison, I will compare it against the standard. This is standard. It still of course looks great. And Leica Natural works very well in the scenery as well. It shows that typical beautiful Leica look. And also back to Leica Vivid, looking saturated, colorful and fun. The next improvement is the nighttime pure shot. And why am I wearing sunglasses at nighttime? Because I look a mess because it's rather really hot. So my face is completely sweaty, but the performance of Insta360 Ace Pro continues and it's improved during the nighttime. The nighttime pure shot upgrade during the nighttime, it is automatic. So in here I'm using the standard mode, the auto mode. And you can see that the Ace Pro's low light performance is one of the best among all the action cameras out there. This is just after the sunset, so still it's quite light, but as we get darker into the night, Ace Pro can capture the real beauty of the urban nighttime scenery. Lovely painting. This is also me walking with a multi-selfie stick. If you're wondering what it looks like with a person inside a frame during nighttime, this is me walking with a selfie stick and Ace Pro on top. And the footage is not noisy and it's beautiful. With the nighttime, with other action camera, you may see flicker with the lights at the background. However, with Insta360 Ace Pro, there is a function called low light stabilization. So if I turn it on, you can see that the stabilization is beautiful and there's no flicker of lights in the background. So with Insta360 Ace Pro, you can really maximize taking videos even during nighttime. So there's absolutely no problem. You can still enjoy Ace Pro during nighttime just as much as you did during the daytime. Since Insta360 Ace Pro was released in November 2023, so I've now had plenty of time to really enjoy this camera. And of course, it's my go-to camera when it comes to action, when it comes to going outdoor. First, because I love the wide perspective. It really captures everything. Even in the indoor, like inside this convenience store, I'm getting that instant noodle. It captures the color very well. And I also often use the functions such as time shift. I hope you guys are not drooling over my instant noodle. It's so tasty, especially when I've been out swimming in the ocean. And the 2x zoom is actually a pretty useful feature that I often go back to. For example, catching the glimpse of the seagulls and the very new record and pause button. It is very useful. You can pause and record multiple times, so it really saves up the editing time. Once I was inside the ocean and my hands wet and so on, I really found the gesture mode really useful. So I showed my palm up to start recording, and while I'm recording, if I show the V sign, it would automatically take a photo while still taking video. So that was really handy. It even worked with double V. And also overall, the fact that it is waterproof up to 10 meters, it really gave me a peace of mind for me to take it into the water. With the action camera, you really want to slow things down. So 120 frames at 4K resolution is just amazing with Insta360 Ace Pro. For the past several months, I really enjoy using Insta360 Ace Pro. It has been with me in the water and nighttime. The performance has been great. So if you've been enjoying what I showed you with the big firmware update, then don't forget to check out the link down below for more information on Insta360 Ace Pro. And I'll be back vlogging more with other Insta360 cameras, so don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!